Hello everyone, this is Coach Julio and I hope you're all well. I just want to give out a thank you to all those who posted some comments and feedback to help me get motivated to continue with my PowerPoint presentation. And what you're seeing is just a couple of slides. I already had the workflow. This is not the title of my presentation that I'm going to have in November. It's just a couple of drafts. And what you're seeing is
Do
part
this.
of my SPARTA
You can
Seniors
do 1 to 2.
book,
Squeeze the
which
butt
is
up.
SPARTA Seniors, Synchronicity of Science, Perception of
One
Limitations
more.
and Movement.
This
In
better
the
not be a
comment
cold
line,
one.
I'm going to
Time.
post chapter 1.
Thank
You can read it today. That will be in there. I have a link. And then for all my presentations, I have a couple of continuing education courses.
Do this.
I'm very
You can do
mindful
1
that
to
it's
2.
important to have cat memes, hand-eye, and I'm also big on hands-on workshops. So if I'm stuttering, that means that it's time for me to end this video. And that's about it. So thank you again, guys, and I'll keep you guys updated.